Shopdibz. In this video, I will show you how to create a bulk product listing with variations in your online store. To get started, download the template by clicking on Downloads. Once the download is completed, open the template and enable the macro. Ensure that all the products in the Excel sheet are assigned to the same category. Products belonging to the multiple category should not be mixed. Each product should fall under a specific category, for example, all t-shirts, shirts and kurtas. I have this sheet ready and now I am going to show it to you. The first page serves as the instruction page, which I recommend you to read carefully before filling out the sheet. The product sheet contains the information about the products such as name, description and related details for the item like t-shirts. The second sheet, variations, serve as the product variation information sheet. For example, a t-shirt can have a different variations such as sizes or colors, each with details like prices, stock information and other relevant details. It's important to note that a small variant may have different prices than a medium variant. On the variation type sheet, if size variation is chosen in sheet 2, then we select the type like small, medium or large. The variation type in accordance with the select variation in sheet 2 is added to each variation. Now let's discuss how to fill these sheets and provide related information. In the product sheet, the green columns are the mandatory and the blue are the optionals. The title should be maximum of 175 characters containing relevant details to help customer easily understand your product. Keywords should end with alphanumeric character as these field enhances the product visibility during search. In the description, we support HTML, plain text and tables. For shipping details, if shipping profile is set to no, shipping zones and shipping excluding zones can be left as blank. Otherwise, select the shipping zone from the drop-down list. Include brand if you are selling the product from different brands. Brand authenticity certificate is an optional field but helpful for the customer to verify the products are genuine. You can upload the certificate to Dropbox or Google Drive and provide the link here, allowing the customers to click and view the authenticity certificate. Next is the publisher, which is relevant to books category. Otherwise, you can leave it as blank. Following that is the shipping cost. Here, you can add the shipping cost if applicable, or you can include the shipping cost directly in the product cost and add 0 here. Moving on the GST rate, which you can check on the GST portal. Both the GST rate and HNS code are mandatory and can be found in the instruction sheet at the point number 9. These fields are crucial for taxation and invoice generation. Next in the line is the MPN or manufacturer part number. This value provided by the manufacturer helps product rank higher among the similar products. If not applicable, leave it as blank. Following that is the product condition, categorizing as either new or refurbished. The subsequent field concerns shipping zones and shipping exclusion zones. If you choose yes for the shipping profile, it's mandatory to add the shipping zones. This is a multi-selection field, allowing you to choose more than one option from the drop-down. If you choose no for the shipping profile, there is no need to provide shipping zone or shipping exclusion zone, including that your shipping is anywhere in India. Moving forward, the next mandatory fields are the country of origin and manufacturer. Subsequent fields are not mandatory but serve as a key feature, providing more information about the product. The next item is the variation code, which should be unique and alphanumeric. For example, VAR01. The second sheet is for variations. Here, the variation code should be same as one provided in the product sheet. For example, if you are uploading a t-shirt, it can have multiple sizes such as small, medium and large. Each variation can have different prices or inventory, resulting in the repetition of variation code 3 times. Next is the MRP, which can vary for each variation. Each variation should have at least one mandatory image and a maximum of 3 images can be added. The type code should be alphanumeric, mandatory and unique for each variation. In the next sheet, each variation in the variation sheet is connected with the type code. The first field is the name you want to display in the marketplace, for example, small size. Select the type, variation type, for example, size. Choose the type map, such as size. Ensure that the variant in both the variant sheet and the variation type is same. When you choose create product, you will see the with variation option. Select with variation and you will be redirected to the page to choose the product category. Here, you can choose the right category for your product. For example, I am selecting the category of men, choosing the right subcategory, which in this case is clothing, and then the item subcategory, which in this case is a t-shirt. Once you have finalized these options, click next. Click on the bulk create and upload your Excel sheet. After successful upload, you can see your product listed in the product section. If an error occurs, your product listed will receive an email from us explaining the issue. Correct the sheet accordingly and then upload it again to have your product ready for display in your online store. Your products are now ready for display and you can view them in the product section and of your dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications when a new video becomes available for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video.